Remember, we not tell lie around here, around prof, you know. I ram too rough.
When Rosie asks, what you say?
I ram too rough.
Are you teach me for ram prof, you know, baby?
I ram too rough. No. Yeah, I ram too rough.
So now you teach me, mommy? Huh?
Me not get no blood clot back as me not to no lie. Me not get it. I don't get it. Me not own that.
How dare she tell Rose so she get it? Who's shy?
I know you feel like me tell Rose, so Rose catch me for this spot here in my lap and me know you feel bad.
What me feel bad?
Me not get it. Me not ram so rough. Me not ram so rough. Move your blood clot and give me it. Hey, me not ram so rough. Can't trick me.
Auntie delicate kiss them or something.
Me not get no backers. Me not run the ramping through. Move your blood clot. Me not tell no lie for no fuck me. Me not look. Me not go so far and ram so rough.
So what you want for Christmas?
Cap, eh?
What you want for Christmas?
You don't know.
I do you something for doing at Christmas still. I wrap it in a plastic bag and give it to somebody.
Might as well, cause me have every 6 months. I'm gonna get the backers. Might as well give somebody else it to blood clot. Nobody want to be true. Might as well. Hey, me call man come by me Louis Vuitton set. So me tell the man say, I got Nickelodeon. Me like a Nickelodeon without you they carry me.
These streets don't love you like I do. What you need for know now? You know that song, eh?
I a serious question.
Somebody in the chat say, "To I wanna suck out your body boy father." Suck your mama.
Look back him. When they eat up all of the food, they are not left for me, so. Eh? So, Jay, what about Christmas?
Well, I put a 2 stiff breast them in my mouth and go and suck them and think about it. I don't know yet.
Now give me a cum. That's not bad. You better not at all. That's not bad. I can work with that. It's not bad.
You can work with 2 suck after.
Yeah, and get a cum. That's not bad.
Oh, you want to come? You back, Chang?
So, Jay, where you give me for Christmas?
You want for Christmas?
You don't know.
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Chat, answer for me over there for me there. Team figure out answer for me there, though. I don't tell him. I want to tell him the chat.
What's that?
Somebody said back as flowers. That rhymes. Somebody said back as flowers.
Out in my comment section is saying flowers, Dyema, money.
Blood clot. But I take the Hardy. Jay, you can buy me Hardy?
My dear?
Alright, but I'm serious no more. Tell you what I want for Christmas, Jay. I need a baccarat cologne. I need a bouquet. and I need a mother to watch.
Yo, our family know that already, you know.
My mother to watch no dear. I girl one, me want the gold little gold girl one. What about 6 bills?
Baccarat Corona one next 6 bills.
Baccarat Colonna about 5 bills, something mash.
12 bills basically.
And the bucket are probably about like 6 grand. Remember that? After all them a blood clot washing ya, and the Ellen say, Uncle Ellen say me wash clothes well.
So yeah, show them for me pa.
You know, they are planning to pull a 2 tank them, but it's alright. And that no one give you your Christmas present. Pull a tank them.
Me get your Jaguar there, you know, a 3 tank.
Me see them see the Jaguar when you reach a Liard.
You think so?
Liard blood clot.
Why not?
Dirty Liard boy. You cut Jesus you probably when the Jaguar the whole yesterday. Wicked boy. Hey, me say me, hey, you see you? I never move a pick for you, me see you. And 2 lie you tell me a serious lie Sunday and I have up for that, you know. But it's alright. Me just in person, me tell about that one day.
Oh, they have something to do with you.
A 2 lie you tell me. I'm in a like that. Cause if I were ever blood clot me, you tear out my clothes off of me and bring me down Emmanuel when we go Rockstone. And me don't like the lie that way you tell me.
You kind of lie that me tell you, baby.
It's alright, me your face to face. I know internet business this. To me are your business.
Like a warrior though.
Yeah, because the lie they act. I don't tell me what the jogger come. Me did the jogger football yesterday, dirty man.
But the joggy fix, baby.
But me did the jogger football yesterday.
You can't fool me 2 tank them for Christmas. That's not a Christmas present. Me we do.
How you want for Christmas? You never have blood clot. You're the only hot boy me know.
Not buy me nothing for Christmas. Buy my son a PS5.
But who buy you to come and buy you know?
Me not give you a Christmas gift them where you ask for. I mean only say buy my son a PS5 and not buy me nothing for Christmas.
So you can't buy me nothing, I mean have to give out nothing in return.
A Christmas, baby!
So I always give.
Babes, Christmas is about exchanging.
I'm a Grinch.
Presents.
I'm a Grinch this year. I'm not giving, I'm taking.
I would the rest. Glad with that girl now. Yo.
Every year I give like a Santa. I want to play the Grinch.
Every year though. Our first Christmas this together.
Wait, I mean not get a focal now.
Yo. Yeah, I ain't get by your back in it.
Back top of it now.
Yeah.
Oops, there goes my skirt up over my head. Oh my. Oops, me can't buy the PS5 until it turn my real stepson. Remember, we practice, we not tell lie. You say so. Whoops, there goes my skirt up over my head. Oh my. Whoops, there goes my. I go like better than give me back as I be angry today at you.
Are you ever say them blood class and make you people angle me over here say you have a toppy, you know?
What me say? But me not get the back as it true. If you tell lie.
Top chat about the fuck.
So if you tell lie.
We have to tell lie, say.
Tell me get fuck.
So me tell you say you get fuck.
Oh, I think I say. Oh, stop. We done.
Oh, the blood.
We think I say.